Hey guys, today I have an unboxing from D-FantiX, so let's just get into it. So here it is. I got the Rubik's Speed Cube. This was sent to me from D-FantiX, so huge thanks to them. And sorry about my voice, I just woke up, so yeah. Okay, so here's the cube. Pretty nice packaging. I've heard that it's gonna come out in stores. It's gonna be pretty exciting. Okay, so here's the cube. It does have tiles, but it's not like the other Rubik's Cube. It's more like sort of a matte finish. But let's get on to first turns. Oh, I forgot this one. Okay, so, wow, feels really nice. It's not like the best cube out there, but it's a lot better than the past Rubik's Cubes. It does have lube. It feels a lot like the Gans Air. I don't have mine with me, but I do own one, and it's pretty nice. This cube feels amazing, actually. It's not going to be my main or anything, but it's pretty impressive for a Rubik's brand. Pretty sure there are GS nuts in here. Yep. You have yellow nuts in there. Those are actually the ones that I use on my Air, so that's pretty nice. Wow, I'm actually really impressed by this. Corner cutting is a little over 40 or 45. You can do line to line. Reverse is about half a kiwi. But yeah, this is really nice. Wow, I'm super impressed by this. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and huge thanks to D-FantiX for sending this to me. Go check out their site. And yeah, bye.